Summer is finally here, and it's almost the end of June. A friend of ours mentioned that the snow is going to be gone only at the end of June. Was he right? It's looking like we have snow again? I'm just kidding. Daisies are in full bloom, and it's a pleasure to see them everywhere. A short time ago we got this mini loader and we find it very helpful. Now I call it the Fat Boy. We made a video about it and you can see the video here. After the snowy winter, the road needed a little bit of attention. Being rural means that we are in charge of our road because there is nobody to take care of it but us, and also it is us and two other families that are using this road. Because we are at the last stop of this long rural road, we decided to take care of it. Well, of course, when I say we, is actually my husband. I'm just the watchman. This is also to see what are the capabilities of this little machine, and here you can tell we have a little bit of problem because the gravity is doing its part. Actually, my husband just forgot it in the drive gear. I'm lucky that my husband is always taking care of me and he's trying to entertain me. He suggested that he should give me a ride. I accepted it and I enjoyed it. If you have seen our snowplowing video, you know that he gave me a ride on the improvised snowplow he made out of wood pallets. After the holes in the road has been filled, the Fat Boy needs to level everything up, and it did pretty good. Before we moved here, I never knew that orchids can grow in a forest, especially in the continental northern part of USA. These are very rare orchids and they actually have no leaves. They are spotted color root. They are rare and they are illegal to be removed. Thankfully, they are growing in our front yard. Oh, you're so beautiful. Oh my god. Figaro and his apprentice. Yes, Figaro's apprentice is here. Right, Figaro? Those are my fingers. Yes. Alright, have fun. Bye. Precious moment. The apprentice and Figaro. In February, Figaro shedded his antlers, and at that time he was a 3-pointer. So far, his antlers grew so big, and now he is a 4-pointer. I'm talking of the points on his antlers. Yep, you're eating my flowers. Baby, walk slowly, Figaro is here. As you can see, nothing is forced for Figaro. He can do whatever he likes. We don't mind, and we know that he's a very kind dear, and we love him. We have been very busy. I didn't have time to make anything special for the video. There are a lot of little things happening for us, and after a very busy day, my husband decided to take me out fishing just to relax. He had a great idea. This went so smooth, my husband didn't think he caught a fish. Look at his mouth. What's that?
I don't know.
I tried to fish too, but so far, nothing for me. Only my husband is the fisherman in this family. I can say that I'm the best cook for this family. I have fish. It's under. Can you pull it, please?
Huh?
Mine it's under. Can you pull my... Two pairs. That was a false alarm. Who's jumping? Thank you for watching, and I hope that next video is more exciting because we'll have something else to share.